Association for Empowerment of Deaf Young Jan Meghalaya State Unit Haksing Palang Kapantip Bandri Tuli Kikan Hun Kilapin Soa Markaseng Bantri Nakabanta Kabha Kamiat Jangki Brio Kibadan Jingduna Hakid Kotmat Matban Wat Jingaram Alor Jing E Kibai Kendu Hakaleng Kajala
Di Differenza Secretary of Meghalaya DPO, Meghalaya State DPO, State Disabled People Organization. The kawai kebat ni lima belas mula kita ketika nomor kajian pemimpin jadi kamu dan dekat non implementation jadi South Lake section, kabar ini kamu dekat section 24, kabar National Social Security. Hari ka section, the state government should provide schemes common formulate and limit of economic capacity of the state. But the CM scheme, especially CM scheme, the similar scheme, similar schemes like old age. So the scheme should be 25% higher than the old age. But as you can see now, the scheme regarding the schemes for PWDs, especially and the schemes for the old age, the amount is the same. But in the Applicability Act, it is mentioned that the scheme should be 25% higher. But even that, they are not implemented. And another section, which we are talking about, is section 39. We can see
39.
Yeah, section 39. The talks about culture and recreation. As we can see, in the state of Meghalaya, regarding culture and recreation, there's so much, they are lacking so much behind. Even for the normal people, they are culture and recreations, they are not into that. And especially for the disabled, they are they're not accessible. For participating in maybe in a concert or something, they will provide ramps or anything which they can access. And they will provide a stage or kind of a budget, or especially budget for them to display their talents and all. As you can see now, you can see so many artists. They are not performing on stage, especially PWDs. You can find them in Police Bazaar. They should be performing on stage, but then in the stages and all. But then they have to perform on the streets. So the government is not even looking after that. They're not considering those. They can see they have so much talent and so much that they can bring out. But then the state, it's not supporting them. And section 33, which says that the identification of posts for reservation. You can see in every, the government should consider with the expert committee to see if there is any vacant post for PWDs. But as you can see in Meghalaya, that also they are not doing that regularly. We cannot see most vacant posts that are meant for PWDs. And as it is mentioned in section 34, it mentions about the reservation for PWDs. 4% of the total job vacancy should be for PWDs. But here in Meghalaya, they have not even implemented that. As we can see, in many government offices, most of the number of PWDs being employed, most of them nil. If not nil, so maybe just 1 or 2. Very few PWDs are being employed. So that and there are some demand, and we have put a demand. The demand the first demand is mandatory statewide sensitization, legal awareness of commercial customer. Jadi kita bagi kita semua tu kita kajin register lagi beli baduna department baik lagi kim semua kinum kamu sih kumbaong nama kumbaga tim idioms wrong. Only the person wearing idioms knows where the thorn or where the stone is. Kita community mama itu jeng apa semua. But ladang ni kan semua ini kita semua itu yang kita jeng apa. Kibri kita benar kami kita kedua. Kita divide the retrospective audit and recalculation of backlog. Mereka pun bahas itu kan ke backlog oleh dengan reservation policy apa Meghalaya. Kita mempercayai ketika fokus reservation kepada menurut saya. Kadang jika microservice system, microservice system kada banyak nak jam fokus reservation, nak benda capabilities kada banyak nak jam. Jadi kita combine kehidup, kita percayai yang ada fokus reservation, kadang ya microservice. Yeah, I'd say that English also, but as you can see, like in Meghalaya, like there's no separation between the roster system and the 4% reservation that is meant for PWDs. Like even the 13 months that like they should, all these government offices and government schools and all it should be accessible for persons with disabilities. Like I have seen, like even in my own experience visiting the office of SRCD, it's a state resource center for differently able persons. The office building is like on a 3rd floor. The lift is not working. I was like wondering how can a person sitting on a wheelchair will go up to the 3rd floor. That is like they should be concerned and they should think of the communities. That shows that they are not thinking of persons with disabilities. You can see that on the 3rd floor, lift is not working. How can a wheelchair climb on the chair and on the staircase? The next thing is like, even for like the scribe, for notification rules and all, they should provide scribe. A scribe like is a person who in central exams they have scribes and all. They provide scribes for persons like for visually impaired persons. But in Meghalaya, like even in the exams, at first they said they will provide a scribe, but then at the last moment they said that they can't provide a scribe. That also is a big issue for educating people who wants to appear for the job exams and all. And next remarks that they should end this discrimination and unfair fair representations, like especially like according to what I've seen. Okay, even after passing the MPSC examinations or DSC examinations, when it comes to personal interview, like the moment the interviewer sees that he or she is a person with disability, they will discriminate that person. They will say that, oh, that person won't be able to do that work. They won't even take the interview, but then just discriminate and look down on that person. That is like, at least implement our demands, like the important sections that we have sought out in the Accessibility Act within the time bound that we have given to them.
And assistance ke ba supplement the ni iwan ka state BPO ke ba kerteng ka association for empowerment of Divyangjan. The Kaneka association which only has state Kaneka state unit and national main office juga kadon Uttar Pradesh the Ningkong and penito suai lagi ngakerteng di daerah dekat Sinong juga kadena Sinong na pasti West Jaya Hills amba yang mentahi sak nasional hanong pemain laut and ngadai kumi state unit president and ngade co-founder and managing director of Blind Lead Trust. Haka state unit pedagang di Jongka DPO ada presiden. Ngadon ni nang ikut kam jengar ada secretary and assistant secretary, but vice president, but executive anak yang Jongka Deaf Association. Haka ni ka state unit ngidon kumba ndriu tu lagi state iba ya sendrok kumka state unit atau haka ba ngi terelang namta ki kabahakan ya namta ka jingmantoy ba namta ki jingke ba ki jinjenja ki ba ki parlok jungi kum ibrik badon jingtuna kotme ngi kendo hako kajana te kadao ka bangi wan mata kasni ha press conference haka ba ikwa kan bertipai ba syaki ki paralok jungi kum syaki ki person with disability communities, but syaki ki paipak nak song jong ka jela jungi hakaba ngila yo banya kendo warga state commissioner for person with disability state commissioner badan mentah te ngila kendo assistant commissioner but komjo deputy commissioner badai baik jongki person with disability. Teh akan ni jingga penduduk jongi, hakaba ngila come up with memorandum, ya ka demand ke jongi, kakum ke jingdon kam jongi, leni jong ke jingdon kam jong baru ki beriu beron jingdon akormet, nombor kita ki challenges kiba maki, keba mangi ni kendo hakok kecela, teh ngila ya point out yang baru itu ki issues, ada lagi identify ki issues, ngila ya submit wanra ngila submit ya memorandum syaka commissioner for person with disability hakaba mi demand ba kinhapan implement yang katakan hok kejongi katkumka RPWD Act 2016 te hakabaya dei berkajing ya kedua jungi minta kesini kalong kai ke ba sultanat bat kalong kai ke balong nagadeng jung ka state commissioner for person with disability ro hakaba kila manjur bat kila kabur ya kata ke ba mangi demand kakum ka section 24 jung ka RPWD Act 2016 section 29 Section 33 dan Section 34. The hagajin sisha ka RPWD Act kalau keba ke bangi syam hako kejela hakaba ya ka klaim implement ha dan klaim penterekam ha katkum belakang hakaai te ya kata kumno ngile lomba ke RTI ke bangala bangila file habaro ki department hakaba ngikeli syapang ke employment ki vacancies nan ta ki PWDs but ki backlog vacancies te ki babon hi mission ba ki ki PWDs kini ki departments jong ka government ki claim penterekam long ki claim tip ki claim benahiru ki negaraan iklan manghiru ka kam lene ginu ka vacancies nam ta jong ki PWDs te ndre ki don bon kini ki PWDs educated ki bala graduate ki bala depule ki bala owner pakla depule ki ba phero te ndre ha ka thadu mission ba ki don ka chingre ka don ka challenges jong ki ha ka ba kim yo kam te ki ba bon ki sushong haye te ki bon ki bala sontho pakla chale satai te ki shemba nagadeng jo government ro ka claim focus ka claim long ka claim petrekam ha kata kom ka an te dena ta ba ka ji ka nang temroi ka nang kiu na ta jo ki kejong ka lang sa lang jong ni beri beron jung na korbe and ka ka jinghe ro ngikhem na ban so no la ka namar ba ka government ka claim long claim of trekam na namar ka ni ka ain ka hawan na usnen 1995 they have to report on 3% ka job reservation ng ta jang Philippines. Then the heading jong ka 2016 bili 4%. And then still ni shemba ki an nong ki department ki claim nong ki claim UK ki claim trekam. De na ta ni la khot ya ka meeting last time aka ano pe aka I think last month Tegi lakon dia meeting jong ka state BO hakabaki nabaro ka jela naka mehabaro ki nabaro ki district jong ka jela nadu nagaro hills nadu cha China Hills Bohoi Khasi Hills tegi lakon dia ka meeting jong ka state BO ba min ngap ka min snow yang ka jingko jingnam jongki te baro hi ki shemba babon ki parlo ki jongi ki akando habai de bat ka yo kam yo jam kumban shok no ba kila pendek kila pass ya ka written exam then when it comes to the personal interview kila syak kentai namar ba ki don ki ba kato kat nen ki don ki babon ki de ki long ki judge ki personal judgment te dengan tak kata apa ni nak lihat jong government, kami nak lihat jong ka state TPO, bagi la ong government, hakabakin, long hakabakin penteri kami ini ki southerly ki section kata ka section aku sau, aku kundai, like sau. Te nomor nilai ya kan ni base ni identify ya ki jing ya ki challenges ki baki di perlok jungin tu kibrio badan jurnal kami apa jelas ni identify baru kicik jungki dan terkadang ni J yang kini south ni section try in kan kembahaba lalu in police ni kendian yang kena memorandum kebangi ila submit but sesuatu kata ngalak kuapan yaitu ba agalen commissioner kila manjur ba kinhapan penteri kami kini an bagi laong ba kini demand kita mani kila demand hapok jong kita kalai kenai kebumut ba kidai kan penbena ya baru itu kidai ba advertise itu backlog vacancies te hadin jong kita kalai kenai pada kemudian hadir berpenaibat kihapan employees yaki person with disability in each and every departments at least 50%. Jadi kata mereka main demand joni, but kunjuru pa kihapan sensitization dan kihapan reach out sekitu ki all the offices and departments bakin alert dan bakin tip yang ke RPWD at least dalam tip kiwe staff at least in charge dalam tip taka demand juni and kumjuru nila demand baru ini ki recruitment rules dan ki advertisements kini belum accessible nomor babon mission bagi belum accessible kila acu penbena poster notice board kita nila pan ba kimdai sukan mereka tinggi deh kan yo baik dah kibalong accessible kalau ba de badon lang bagi audio nam tajuk ki bisi impact bagi dan ki audio narrator dan nanta kumki ni kumka sign language te kidai ban bo lang tu te nakadang juki jongi nila ong ba baro ki website kidai ban accessible Lamar ba babon di website mission ba kim long accessible. Hangnor ko kim long accessible namar ba ki babon ba ki portals ki jong ki ba kishna ka problem di jongi ke haka verification capture. When it comes to verification capture hakaba kiperi dekat image untuk ban verify kan kayu ba wanda ba something kapani dekat image jadi yang ni visually impact keto kamtreka tegi don kamera audio challenge bagi kau tanam tajuni ban describe itu ke ba peri hak tu ke image jadi nu ki kacau yang ki letters ki bagi buat itu and not just that and kibai ru ki keba mangingila state haka memorandum jungi lesi secretary jungi bisa read out itu ki demand jungi dengan khot iba in read out itu ki demand jungi